Looking for the perfect blend of comfort and style? Best Swiveling Recliners are designed to offer relaxation with smooth motion, premium support, and modern appeal, making them ideal for lounging, reading, or watching TV in ultimate comfort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Alunaune Swiveling Recliners. The Alunaune Swiveling Recliner is a perfect blend of durability, comfort, and style, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable chair for daily use. Built with high-quality breathable fabric, this recliner ensures a cozy seating experience while maintaining easy maintenance and cleaning. Its sturdy sheet frame combined with a heavy-duty steel mechanism guarantees long-lasting support and stability, so you don't have to worry about durability over time. The chair is filled with high-density sponge padding, ensuring not just comfort, but also consistent firmness for long sitting hours. Another highlight is its power glider recliner design with an integrated heated seat. With just a push of a button, you can activate both the footrest and heating point, creating a truly relaxing environment for lounging, reading, or even short naps. The 90 to 135 degrees reclining flexibility allows you to adjust your posture easily, while the segmented backrest is thoughtfully designed to provide targeted support for both upper and lower back. This feature helps distribute body pressure evenly, effectively reducing fatigue and discomfort. Additionally, the extended footrest and small tray table add to the convenience, giving you space to keep a drink or snack while you unwind. Whether placed in a large living room, a compact reading nook, or even an RV, this recliner adapts effortlessly to the surroundings without occupying too much space. Assembly is another advantage, as the chair can be put together in just 10 to 15 minutes without any additional tools. Number 2. LAFWELL Swiveling Recliners. The LAFWELL Swiveling Recliner is designed for versatility, relaxation, and overall convenience, making it an excellent option for adults who want a combination of multiple functions in one chair. Built with a 360 degrees swivel, 30 degrees rocking motion, and 90 to 150 degrees reclining capability, this recliner allows you to find the perfect position whether you're watching TV, reading, or simply unwinding. The easy-to-use lever located next to the armrest activates the footrest, and the backrest naturally adjusts as you change positions, giving a smooth and effortless reclining experience. The swivel feature also adds a fun and interactive element, making it great for both living rooms and bedrooms where mobility and flexibility are appreciated. What truly sets this recliner apart is its massage and heating features. Equipped with 8 vibration massage points across the back, lumbar, thighs, and legs, it offers customizable massage intensity controlled via remote, making it perfect for stress relief. Additionally, the built-in lumbar heating function improves blood circulation, reduces fatigue, and enhances overall comfort. Heat can be combined with the massage feature for a deeper relaxation experience, making it ideal for long days when you just need to unwind. Constructed with premium faux leather, the LAFWELL recliner not only looks stylish, but is also durable, easy to clean, and water-resistant. The thick padded cushions filled with high-density sponge provide excellent support while maintaining softness for long-term use. Number 3. Immulize Swiveling Recliners. The Immulize Swiveling Recliner is designed with an ergonomic focus, offering both style and practicality in one compact piece of furniture. Featuring wide, thick armrests and a spacious seating area, it ensures comfort during extended periods of sitting, whether you're watching your favorite show or reading a good book. One standout feature is the built-in side storage pocket, which allows you to keep essentials such as remote controls, books, or even small devices within arm's reach. This thoughtful detail enhances everyday convenience, especially for those who prefer not to get up frequently while relaxing. The recliner also comes with a user-friendly side control button that allows easy reclining adjustment. Whether you want to sit upright or lean back, the process is smooth and effortless. Additionally, the adjustable phone holder is a modern touch that provides hands-free entertainment, making it perfect for streaming shows, video calls, or reading ebooks without needing to hold your device. While compact, the chair's design ensures it can fit into various room styles, from living rooms to bedrooms, without taking up excessive space. However, it is important to note the manufacturer's advice against applying excessive force when adjusting the recliner, as this could affect stability. Since the chair is relatively heavy, having 2 people to handle the package during delivery and assembly is recommended. Thankfully, assembly is simple, as the package includes detailed instructions and all necessary tools for setup. Number 4. LITVZ Swiveling Recliners. The LITVZ Swiveling Recliner stands out as an advanced option specifically designed for elderly users or anyone seeking maximum convenience and relaxation. This recliner offers a unique power lift feature that assists individuals in standing up or sitting down with minimal effort, making it particularly beneficial for seniors or those with limited mobility. It reclines up to 160 degrees with an extended footrest, ensuring enhanced leg support and versatile seating positions. For taller individuals, the 4.4-inch extended footrest and 33.75-inch backrest height provide ample space for a truly comfortable fit. Another major highlight of this recliner is its massage and heating functions. Equipped with an 8-point massage system and lumbar heating, it allows users to customize their relaxation experience. With 5 adjustable massage modes, you can target specific areas like the back or legs, making it ideal after a long, tiring day. The convenience features make this chair even more impressive. Both armrests include flip storage cup holders, keeping drinks within easy reach, while side storage pockets offer space for books, remotes, or magazines. Additionally, it has built-in USB and Type-C charging ports integrated into the position remote, so you can charge your phone, tablet, or other devices without leaving the chair. Constructed with durability and comfort in mind, the LITVZ recliner is designed to blend seamlessly into modern living spaces while offering top-tier relaxation. Number 5. DANICA Swiveling Recliners. The DANICA Swiveling Recliner is an ergonomic and modern recliner designed to bring maximum comfort with its innovative zero-gravity function. This feature allows the backrest to lock at 90 degrees while offering weight-based adjustments up to 150 degrees, reducing body strain and promoting a natural relaxation posture. Ideal for adults seeking long-lasting support, the recliner uses a manual side pull ring mechanism to unfold the footrest. Though simple to operate, it's worth noting that closing the footrest may require some effort, making it less suitable for individuals recovering from surgery. Comfort is further enhanced by the use of flannel fabric, which is soft, breathable, and durable, ensuring a skin-friendly feel even after long hours of use. Inside, the recliner is filled with high-density sponge cushions that maintain both support and plush comfort, making it perfect for everyday lounging. With overall dimensions of 36.6-inch W x 38, D x 40.9, H, and an expanded length of 63, this recliner provides ample room for sitting and reclining. The seat dimensions of 23.6-inch W x 21.6, D, and height of 19.7 make it especially suitable for individuals between 5.1 and 5.9 feet in height, supporting up to 330 pounds. One of its key strengths lies in durability, as the chair is built with an all-metal frame certified by BIFMA, tested for up to 25,000 opening and closing cycles. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.